Hey, future doctors, ever wondered how your body fights off infections, destroys cancer cells, and keeps you healthy? That's your immune system, a complex but fascinating defense network. Today, I'm breaking it down simply with key concepts and memory tricks to help you ace your exams. Let's dive in. The immune system is like your body's security team. It detects pathogens, the bad guys, destroys tumors, rogue cells, and ignores friendly cells. It's made of organs, cells, and molecules working together. Key features: specificity, targets only harmful invaders. Memory, remembers past infections for faster response next time. Diversity, can recognize millions of different antigens. Now, onto the organs of the immune system. Primary lymphoid organs are the training centers where immune cells or lymphocytes are born and trained before going to work. 1. Bone marrow, the factory of all blood cells. B cells mature here. 1. Thymus, T-cell boot camp. T-cells go through stages: double negative, double positive, and single positive. During positive selection, they must recognize self-MHC to survive. In negative selection, if they attack self, they're eliminated. Fun fact, 95% of T-cells die here. Remember, the thymus shrinks after puberty, but some function remains. Secondary lymphoid organs are battlefields where immune cells fight infections. 1. Lymph nodes, traps lymph-borne antigens like security checkpoints. 1. Spleen, filters blood, removes old RBCs and catches blood-borne pathogens. 1. MALT, mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue, guards mucosal surfaces like GALT in the gut and BALT in the lungs. Memory trick: lymph nodes =sign police stations, spleen =sign blood filter, MALT =sign mucosal guards. Next, let's talk about the defense squad, immune cells. B cells make antibodies, Y-shaped weapons like archers. T cells are involved in cell-mediated immunity. Think of them as commandos, THE as the general, TC as the assassin, and TREG as the peacekeeper. Macrophages eat pathogens and present antigens. They're the Pac-Man of the immune system. Dendritic cells are the best antigen presenters, spies gathering intel for T cells. NK cells kill virus-infected and tumor cells. Natural-born killers, no training needed. Immune cells patrol the body via blood and lymph. They use chemokines, GPS signals, and adhesion molecules, sticky feet, to find infection sites. Recirculation =sign immune surveillance, keeps the body safe 24/7. Now, humoral versus cell-mediated immunity. Humoral B cells fights extracellular pathogens using antibodies, working in lymph nodes and spleen. Cell-mediated T cells fights intracellular infections like viruses and cancer, using cytotoxic T cells, working wherever infected cells are. Diagrams you must know. 1. Lymph node structure, cortex, B cells, paracortex, T cells, medulla, exit point. 1. Thymus lobule, cortex, immature T cells, medulla, mature T cells plus Hassel's corpuscles. 1. T-cell maturation, DN to DP to SP with selection steps. Exam hack: draw the blood-thymus barrier. It blocks antigens from entering the thymus. Final summary and mnemonics. Primary organs: bone marrow, B cells, thymus, T cells. Secondary organs: lymph nodes, spleen, MALT, T cells, B antibodies, T killers, macrophages, eaters, dendritic presenters, selection in thymus positive, MHC recognition, and negative, no self-attack. Mnemonic for thymus function: T cells, train in thymus tested twice, positive and negative. Now you've got a solid foundation on the immune system. Like, share, and comment which topic you want next, maybe hypersensitivity or autoimmunity. See you in the next video. Stay curious, future docs.